G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Beautiful winter day on the coast of West Australia. Today we're talking about setups versus instruments. I talk about trading setups all the time and picking a setups that you resonate with best, whether they're trend setups, reversals, stop hunts, whatever you want to call them, but knowing what your playbook is, because and a lot of people keep asking when the playbook's coming. It's coming, but it's important that you know what you're doing, because if you're just trading an instrument, then what you're doing is you're trying to trade the movements of that instrument in the template in the session that you're available, and that may be a poor quality setup for any sort of risk reward, as opposed to looking for the best setup over a basket of instruments. So for example, we talk about first red day, and I know people ask, what do you mean by that? And okay, whatever, just pick up ABC setup. Your ABC setup is your best setup. But if you're trying to look for your ABC setup in London on the same instrument every single day, you're probably not going to get that. But you might find your ABC setup on a basket of instruments. One or two of them might be candidates for the best trade setup. So you might have a couple of indexes, you might have a commodity or a metal, you might have a couple of currencies, and you might have a cross rate. And out of those, you might get maybe say three. Maybe you can only trade London, and out of 3 out of 5 days, you get 3 really good best playbook trade setups. That's different than trying to trade one instrument and hope that you catch a move every single day. And it might be a low volatility day. It might be, day 2 consolidation before a day 3 trend day or something like that, or whatever. Or maybe just a narrow range day and you're trying to trade it, or you're in a chop day after a big move. So if you have a few baskets or a few instruments that you can scan to look for your best trade setup, that's where your process comes in, your scanning process. How do you identify which candidates are your best trade setups? So again, mindset being, I'm looking for the highest possibility opportunities. I'm not trying to trade a move on one instrument every single day. Different mindset shift. Hopefully you got value from that today. Traders, get out and enjoy. I know it's summertime in the northern hemisphere, it's wintertime in the southern hemisphere. Not a bad day though. Make this your best trading day ever. Have a great session, and may the markets go with you.